Hi everyone, Aaron from Rich Sounds here. Now, you may remember these bad boys from our recent portable cassette player video. These are the Mondo Freestyle headphones, and we figured, why not dedicate a whole video to these transparent wonders? Now, if you're like me and you lived through the 90s and 2000s, you know that transparent tech wasn't just a thing, it was a vibe. Clear tech cases on gadgets, everything from Nintendo 64 with its see-through controllers to those funky, colourful iMacs. You could literally see the technology working, and that made it like somehow 10 times cooler. The Mondos have got that retro look, but with modern features. They connect via Bluetooth and they boast up to 22 hours of playback from a single 90-minute charge. They've also got that rugged, no-fuss design that means you can just throw them in a bag and not worry about them too much. Plus, they're technically closed back, but you can hear the world around you much better than if you're using over-ear or in-ear headphones. They have these spongy over-ear pads which make them pretty comfy, so even if you're wearing them for hours, they don't get too backwards, back to front and all sorts. We sent Milo out with the headphones because, well, he just has a better head for it. Here's Milo with a Canadian great horned owl. And here's Milo just enjoying a park bench as one would, with a bit of music on a lovely October day. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. These aren't the sort of headphones that you buy when you're after a true audiophile experience. If you're looking for a pair of headphones to sit and enjoy your vinyl or high-res music with, or if you're looking for fancy noise cancellation, these probably aren't the headphones for you. But if you're watching this and you've made it this far, then you probably already know that. What we like about these headphones are probably the same things that you like. It's the nostalgia factor, it's the simplicity of them, that rugged versatility that means you don't have to be too precious about them. They're just fun. Don't get us wrong, they still sound good at this price point, and the bass is especially punchy. There's one button on them, and that's for turning them on and off, playing and pausing your music, and also for Bluetooth pairing. Skipping tracks and volume are controlled by dials on the sides, and if you're anything like me, you'll love this sound. Like most modern headphones, they do come with a companion app. It has a handful of features, the most useful probably being the equalizer. There are a few presets on there, but you can also customize everything to get the sound that you want. One last thing to mention, they actually come with swappable foam pads. So we've added the orange ones onto the transparent model here because, well, it just looks cooler. And if transparency isn't your thing, they also come in black. But don't just take my word for it, why not contact your local Richer Sound store today and have yourself a demo. If you need to know where your local store is, click the link, and if you'd like to see more content like this, why not consider subscribing? Thanks for joining me for this video, I'll see you on the next one, bye bye. Just listening to his favourite track, Shawaddy Waddy. And here he is admiring some lovely ruins in the centre of the city. Yeah, pretty good. Oh look, he's pointing.